We're talking about campaigns today on Moosend, okay? We have been doing videos on this on the channel and teaching you all about how incredible this project is, but today we're focusing on the campaign. So let's get straight in. So guys, once you've logged in, which you should have done already, this is how you create a campaign, okay? Up at the report section, hit create new campaign. Now, let's have a look at what it shows us straight off the bat. All right, so it takes you to this page here, okay? You want to choose plain text or HTML. HTML is in my eyes the most easiest to do. Okay, so let's just write George is the best. Okay, everybody write that in the comments if you're with me. Subject line, George's new hair. Okay, preview text, you can write it, George hasn't got the best haircut. Okay, selecting your options, whoever the owner is, all right, reply to whoever the email list is in there. You can add an email there if you want. Track your campaign with the Google Ads, all right? You can turn that on as well. Going on to next, it asks you who you want to send it to. I'm gonna add it into George's list, okay? Next, now it's to the design. So it's gonna send to everyone in George's list. Now let's start designing this. Takes you through to the actual campaign header. So let's pick a template, all right? I wanna pick skincare, use this template here, okay? I've got it right now, okay? So you can see the difference in what's actually happening. I can change all this analytics myself. Anything I need to do, I can just keep doing. All right, I'm gonna keep it the exact same. I don't wanna change anything, all right, but you can mess around with that yourself and you can update it and keep it. Now that is there, send into that whole list of yours. All right, we're past the design, we're past the list, we're past the settings. Now you got to schedule delivery. I want to campaign it right now. You can wait to do it if you want, but I want to do it right now. Resend the campaign to non-openers. If they don't open it, resend it. All right, and you can choose this. I want to resend 5 hours after. All right, hey, did you miss this? So they cannot even tell you that they missed it. All right, and then press next. Now you've got it. This is what it's going to look like. Send it all the way down to them and boom, it sends. Okay, you did it. You can cancel it within 28 seconds. I'm probably going to cancel it because mine is just made up, but then you can share it to all your different social medias. That's how easy it is, guys, to make a campaign on Moosend. Remember that link down below is going to get you the best deal. And what I would say is it's so easy. It's so easy to do on here. If you've got a business, this is going to flourish your business. I promise you. That link down below is going to get you the best deal. It takes you all the way to our website. We can actually help you get the best discounts around for growing your business. There you have it, guys. That link down below, as I've said before, will get you the greatest discounts on this. So please keep hitting the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Have fun with Moosend, and I'll see you next time.